If you want to add a clock to the home screen on Samsung Galaxy A57, what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen, and then we're gonna go to widgets at the bottom of the screen. Now in here you might be able to find a clock straight away, but if not, then we should be able to find the clock app in here. So we're gonna tap on it. And what we can do is we can use one of these available widgets. So we have, for example, these two analog clocks, we have digital clocks, there are also the wall clocks. And so let's say I'm gonna choose this digital one over here. I'm gonna use this 2x1. I'm gonna press and hold my finger on it, and then I'm gonna drop it, let's say, in here. There we go. I can still resize the widget if I want to. And that is pretty much it. This is how we can easily add the clock to the home screen. Now, if you, for example, added the widget and you want to resize it, you can press and hold your finger, and then you will have this outline. So we can grab by one of the corners, and you should be able to adjust the size pretty easily. You can also try to use third-party clock apps that also contain widgets in order to use those widgets instead if you don't like how this widget looks like. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.